Hello, this is part 3 of the paper AK47 tutorial, and in part 2 you left off with this, and in part 2 you were you finished off by strengthening, putting tubes inside the handle. Works very well. I finished that off already for you guys, so done with that. Now we're gonna be making the stock in part 3, which is right now. Okay. So first, what you gotta do is roll up a piece of paper the long way this way. Make sure it fits inside here smoothly. Then after you're done rolling that, tape it up. Roll up a piece of paper the short way like this, and also make sure it fits inside here. After you're done with that, tape them together. So you have the long roll, which is here, and the short roll, which is here. So it should go perfectly inside. As you can see here, my tube can go over. See, that's the extra tube. So we're just gonna cut off a bit, as you can see here. The length of your stock should be, depending on what size you want. I made mine that, but it seems like it's a bit too skinny. But I think it's about this size. So what we're gonna do is take out your entire tube. So I just took out my tube here, and you're gonna cut off a bit. By bit, I mean like not too much. Probably around. Hold on a sec. Technical. So what you're gonna do is cut off the amount. This is really hard for me to do because I'm filming this with one hand. But so cut off like this much. This much. Don't need that. Well, actually, you might need it later. Yeah, you might need it later. So it should still go perfectly inside. But it won't go out here. So yeah, let me just see the stock length again. I'll give you some measurements. Hold on a sec. Just go ahead and get my trusty ruler and I'll measure out the stock length. So the stock length should be around 7.5 inches, or let me give you the centimeter measurement. 19 centimeters, about 19 centimeters. You guys got that? Okay. So let's measure it out. Okay, this AK47, my stock length is like 20 centimeters. But whatever. Okay, next you've got this long tube. Make sure you keep it. Take it out for right now. Oh yeah, mark your stock measurement thing. So 20 centimeters is mine. Go ahead and take your ruler and mark it the correct measurement. So don't cut it there or whatever. Just leave it like that, because you know how long your stock is gonna be. Let's see. Next, what you gotta do is take off the scrap tube that you had, and test to see if it fits inside the bottom. If it does, loosely, whatever, it doesn't matter if it's loose. It may be better that it's loose. Make it about this length. Then simply tape it down, so I'm just gonna do that. So, just tape it. You want this to be secure since this is going to be your blow tube, and it's going to be part of your stuff. Yeah, this amazing invention that I came up with turned out to be pretty nice. Sorry for my finger got in the way. So make sure you tape that down nice and sturdy. Keep taping. So now you can blow through it here. Oh shoot, okay wait, hold on a sec. Make sure your blow tube is not like mine. Mine is all blocked up. You cannot even blow through. It's gonna be very hard. So take your finger or whatever and try to, how should I say, try to widen it up so you can blow through easier. Okay. But it doesn't matter for me since this is just a tutorial. Make sure you guys have it widened up so you can shoot through it. If you don't want this gun to shoot, you don't have to do that. But anyways, so now you've got your two pieces for the stock. You've got this and this. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap up a piece of you're gonna roll up a tube that's a little bit bigger than this, so it fits right over it. That's gonna be part of the stock. And I think, yeah, you roll it up the long way. So roll it up this way. I will go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Roll it up the long way. And then to test, to make sure if it's over your blow tube thingy, you're just gonna release the tube and let it grow bigger a little bit. So just roll it up and see how much time I have left. Not a lot. Okay, so you got your longer tube. So you got this. Now just release it a bit. So I'll just release it only a little bit. And then you want this to maintain clear. So looks like this. So you can see completely through this. And you want to test to see if this tube. Okay, so mine is a little bit too skinny. So I'll just release it some more. And looks like this now. I'm just gonna test to see if it's over snugly. And it does. Now you're just gonna go ahead and tape that up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in part 4.